All right, for dinner this evening, we're going to have fish. My next door neighbor caught this fish a couple days ago, and he had it flash frozen, and he gave it to me. Let's see how it is. Smells good. No smell whatsoever. That's good. Now this is a redfish, we believe. So when you're doing fish, you take out this red line because when you feel for bones too, a few bones up here. So let's get this red line out first. I call it the blood line. A lot of fish have them. And believe it or not, if there's any contamination in the ocean, like mercury, and particularly if you got a bluefish, this red line contains all the oils, and that's where you're going to find the contamination. So we'll cut that out. There we go, no bones there. Now, on the back of this, you take some more of this off. I like to take all that red off. That's not bad. Of course, you got a nice sharp boning knife here. So that's not bad, that's pretty clean there. Same thing on this nice big piece here. We'll start to get some of this off. Throw that tail away, it's got some toughness there. And that's most of it, that's not bad. Here's the other fillet. Got some bones up here by the head. We'll get those out. Get some of this out of here. Cut this out again, like I did on the other one. There you go, that's not too bad. More red. There we go. Get this little piece here off. No bones. Wash that red out. That up. Homemade breadcrumbs that I don't throw any bread away. And we're just gonna put a few breadcrumbs on here. Okay. And then we'll take the rest of this butter and just put it there. I've got some cold butter here that I like to shave really thin. Put a little bit of butter on top. Moistens those breadcrumbs. So I got the oven preheated to 375, and I've got the rack on the upper half because I'm going to broil this the last couple of minutes. I'm going to broil it so that this gets nice and tanned. There we go. That's enough butter. So there it is. We're going to bake it. We're going to serve it with lemon. So in the oven it goes, 375 on the upper one. I'll leave that in there for about 10 minutes, and then I'll put the broiler on, and we're going to broil it up so it gets nice and brown on top. Okay, I'm going to check the fish. I think it's about the right temperature. Yeah, the browning up around the edges. Yeah, that's 136, 146 in the front. So that is done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on broil. High broil. Keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn. Let's take a look, see how it's looking. Oh, it's browning up just nice. Another 15 seconds and that'll be done. Yeah, shut this off. Shut the stove off. There it is. Perfect. The breadcrumbs are nice and brown. So we can plate these up. All right, so there's just two of us. So it's an awful lot of fish. There's one. I'll get the other big one. That over there. Have a little bit of rice on each plate. And then we'll put some cabbage on each plate. There you go. Nice healthy meal. And of course you're going to serve fish with lemon. I've got a couple of garnished lemons on each fish. And I'm going to actually drizzle a little bit of lemon juice on this fish. Here we go.